D68. So you could see the dictionary is created. 3 items, capital X, Z, 90. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this class we are going to create a dictionary program where we will be using dic.items of. This is a sample program to understand this concept. We will display the dictionary details, that is keys and values, in a table form. Here is a programming question. Accept n number of keys and values, store as a dictionary and display it as set of values. Let us open Python. Command line, accept values for dictionary and display it. So if we are accepting the values and putting into a dictionary, we need an empty dictionary in the beginning. I am creating an empty dictionary, ALNUM. It is empty. I will get n from the user to store that many items. N is equal to int of input of enter number of items. So we are going to create for loop for I in range of n. We will take the key. So just I give ky is equal to input of enter the key. Now I need to take the value and put it in the dictionary. For that dictionary name ALNUM of ky. So any value is taken now, it will be added as an item in the dictionary. I take numbers here, int of input of value. Let us print this dictionary. Print ALNUM. Let us check first this one. Number of items I am giving 4. The key, the alphabet I give A. Value for this I mentioned the ASCII value. So 65, B 66, C 67, D 68. So you could see the dictionary is created here. Let us continue the program. Now to display, again we will have to give a for loop. Before that, as we need to display as a table form, we will give some print statement. Print \n for new line, alphabet, then again \t I give, so it gives one tab space, ASCII, ASCII I give. I am giving another print statement simply to print the underscore. Now I am going to create a for loop for. See, now this is the main thing we are going to concentrate about. So far we have learnt one single loop variable. Now we are going to give two loop variables. I give k and v. See there, k I mentioned for keys, v I mentioned for values. It is your choice that you can give anything there. In ALNUM dot items of. So it will be taking first key and its value. Similar way, second key and its value. So it will be traversing until the last. So every time it takes the pair, we will be printing the pair. Print I print one vertical line, then K, then I give one tab space, then I print V, then again I give one vertical line. We can give the for loop in other way also. After executing this, we will come back again, I will let you know. Let us run this first. Number of items 3, small a 97, B 98, C 99. So 3 items. So we could see that it has printed. Small alteration can be done to make it exactly as a table. Let us do that. With that we will also see how to use other way of for loop. Now I am giving here one vertical line in between both the values. Instead of T, I give some space. Now if we are using only one single variable, it may be I. Now we are going to give only the name of the dictionary, no dot items of. So it means I is a key. This we have already seen in the previous program. Now I is the key, so I will be giving here I, and then we will take the value using the dictionary name ALNUM of I. So we can copy this code to the top also. Let us run. 3 items, capital X 88, Y 89, Z 90. So we could see that it is similar like table. Hope you understood this program clearly. Let us meet in the next class. Keep watching my channel, keep practicing, keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.